Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is computer networking. So in digital era, everyone should know about computer networking. So friends, you can see what is computer networking. Computer networking is a group of device like this group of device such as a computer, laptop, servers, printers, smartphone, webcam and etc, which is connected with link. These are the connected with link to share data information to each other. Okay, so this is a network device which is used to connect all device together. Okay, servers, storage, laptop, all these PC are connected with this server, avc server. Okay, and it can get data resources from this server and share file with each other, share data with each other and share resources. Okay, so let's see its benefits, why computer networking is required. So friend, now we will discuss benefit of computer networking. We'll discuss benefits here. Okay, first benefits, file and data sharing. You can see all these PC is connected with this link. Okay, this switch, it can share data information with each other. Okay, so you can see this is a IP camera, cam. Now cam record the video and store video to this storage. Okay, now this PC can share and access data from this PC, from this server, from this laptop. Okay, because all are connected with each other. Now second benefits, backup data on centralized location. So friend, you can see this PC can backup data on this storage server. This laptop can share and backup data on this storage server, because suppose this device got crashed, then your data will be lost. So you can share or store your data on your centralized location like this server. This server can be share data on centralized location here. Okay, if this server or your PC got down, got crash, then you can access your data from here. Okay, this is benefits for data protection, for data saving. So third benefit is device sharing, how you can print. So device sharing, this is a single printer can be used by all this PC because it's connected with all your switch. So all this PC can print on single PC. Okay, on single printer. Now fourth is email communication, video, social media, instant messaging. So friends, with the help of computer networking, you can access email from anywhere. You can send email from anywhere with the help of computer networking. You can share video, create video, share video over social media. Okay, social media. You nowadays you can see Facebook, Insta, all social media running on any server, and you are accessing this Facebook server, Insta, Google, YouTube on your mobile device, on your laptop, on your PC with the help of computer networking, because this server is located in other country. Okay, you are connected with internet and access on your PC. Or now fifth is video conference. So friend, as you can see nowadays in corona pandemic, everyone working from home. So all meetings are going on with the help of video conference via Webex, via Zoom. Okay, video meeting, virtual meeting with the help of computer networking. Without computer networking, video conferencing is impossible. Now our this topic is type of computer networking. We have a four type: local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, wide area network. PAN, personal area network. So let me describe all these: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. Describe LAN, local area network. What is local area network? As you can see in name, local. You can see local area. Local area मतलब in locally means local area in network is network that connect computers and devices within organizations such as office, school, college, hospitals. We can say within a building. So local area network means it can be your office network, it can be your home network, it can be your school, which is located in a single building like this. You can see this is my single building here. This is my first floor. This is my second floor. Okay. We can say this is a LAN, local area network, because all PCs are connected with my centralized device, servers, printers. Okay. All devices is connected with locally. Okay, in single building. So this is called LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is a network. Metropolitan area network is network that connect computer and devices within a city, such as a cable network connect branch offices. So let me tell you, cable network are connected within a city. Within city means within 50 kilometer to 60 kilometer. It can be your MAN, metropolitan area network. Okay, so let me show you. Within a city, suppose this is my branch 1. Okay, branch 1. This is my branch 2. Okay, in same city, in city Delhi, this is my branch 1, this is my branch 2. It connected with each other. Okay, on all is connected. This is my MAN, metropolitan area network, for sharing data and information with each other. These PC can access data from this server. Okay, can access this server. This PC can access this server, and all are connected with each other with connected with cabling. Okay, this is called MAN. When two or more branch connected within a city, that's called MAN, metropolitan area network. Wide area network. Wide area network is network that LAN and MAN network together from one city to another city. It can be one country to other country, such as internet. Okay, let me show you. LAN and is connected to internet. Okay, this is my another city. This network is my another city or another country is connected with internet. Here you can see when internet comes in picture, and it's connected to switch connected to router connected to internet, this switch connected to router connected to internet. Okay, when router and internet comes in picture to connected with other different network. Okay, one country, suppose this is my India and this is USA. So both branch are connected with each other over internet. Okay, this is called WAN. When internet comes in picture, this is called WAN, wide area network. Now personal area network. So friends, personal area network, you can see, as you can see name here, personal. Personal means your personal area. Can be personal area network is network that is a home network. Home devices connected with each other on your home network. This is your home devices. Okay, your PC, laptop, your mobile phone, web camera, your audio system, your printer, or your mic can be connected with your wireless network. Okay, it can be connected with your wireless network or can be connected with Bluetooth. This is called person area network. Okay, so now we'll discuss disadvantage of computer networking here. Now we'll discuss disadvantage of computer networking. So you can see, first disadvantage is security issue. When your computer or server connected with internet, okay, when your server or computer connected with internet, then it's risky, because nowadays multiple malware, viruses, attack are going to crash your server. Then your all data will be lost here. Okay, all devices connected with internet. So due to virus malware, your device can be crashed. So this is a disadvantage. So friends, in this video you have seen what is computer networking and type of computer networking, benefits of computer networking, disadvantage of computer networking. So friends, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.